I'm making a new little poop cup for my lamb. That's her poop cup. And I just laid it on my stove over here, lying down like this, so it would heat up this bottom. And then I just, before it melted onto the stove, I took it off and I'm pressing it in. And I cut it, used a razor to cut down a little bit too, right there. And this is going to be where her tail goes. There we go. Got a finished poop cup. Got its first poopies. Poop cup works. I've got a calibrated poop cup on my new lamb. Good sheep. Getting the apples. Last apples of the season. Woolie's smelling his own pee. I just now found these metal, like I think they're called duckbill or beak hair clips. They're metal. I wish I would have found these years ago when I started making poop cups for my sheep, because the plastic hair clips that are available break, and I'm constantly having to replace them, like weekly or monthly. So yeah, these clips are a lot better than the ones that go like this too. They stay in a lot better, and they provide a wider object to hang the poop cup. Yeah, before I got these metal hair clips, Happy's plastic hair clip broke, and her poop cup fell out in the street, and I didn't find it till the next day after it had been ran over. So her poop cup is just totally permanently smashed now. So much for trying to form it.